Hi there, today I have a project that have some issues, website actually. So this website have some issues related to font size. Let me show you. We are going to fix this live. Let's reduce the font size here. You can see the font is too small here. The headings are too small here, okay. The text are also. Let me reduce the size more. Here you can see the font is too small here, right? You can see the font is too small here. So we are going to fix this live. So for that I have to find why this is happening. If I click on inspect element here, let me see if I find any options here for the font size. Here is it. You can see the font size is 1.1 vertical width. If I disable this, then you can see the font looks fine. So we have to log into the website and disable this CSS code, okay. And also let me show you this. This is H2 heading. So this heading is also looks too small. So we are going to disable this font size CSS2. Now it looks fine, similar to this one. It will be same. Let's disable this. Now it looks fine. So we have to fix these issues after logged in to the site, okay. So here I have logged into the site, and before continue I have already took a database backup here, so that if anything goes wrong we can restore the site, okay. So let's visit the site from here. Let's reload again. Okay, after reloading, the top bar is the admin bar is loading here now, okay. You can see the top bar here. So first of all we have to find where this CSS is available. This looks from the Elementor settings, paragraph font size is 1.1 vertical width, okay. So first of all we have to disable that. I think we can find that from the site settings. Let's go here. So now we are in the site settings page. So from here I am going to check the global typography or global fonts first. Let's global fonts. Let's check the primary. It looks fine. Pixel. Let's check the secondary. 1.8 RAM. It's look also fine. Let's check the text. It is okay. Let's check the responsive mode also. Secondary. We are going to check this text. 1.2 RAM. Let's open text, pop-ins, text, pop-ins, text, pop-ins, text, pop-ins, okay. We can try one thing. Let's change the text font size here to 16 pixel. Let's update and see if it's changed this one here or not. Let's reload this page. Here is a responsive themes. From themes it's font size, but it is overrating here post. Elementor CSS. It is from the Elementor, so it's not working. Okay, let's go to typography. No, that is paragraph. Body color, body text, pop-ins, 1.5 RAM. No, the text size is, font size is not here. Okay, let's do another thing. Let's customize this. Okay, the font size option is not available here. Let's see the theme settings. This is the eAcademy themes. Let's see if we can find okay, this is the theme settings. Maybe dashboard, install plugins, portal, appearance, templates, settings. No, I'm not seeing the theme options. Here, okay, you can do one another thing. This is post CSS file, start custom CSS. Oh, so this is loading from here, custom CSS. Someone is added this here to custom Elementor 30. And let's see the page ID here. Which page ID? I think this one is working from the page ID addition on CSS. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's open the page using Elementor. Okay, now let's see the top custom CSS. No, let's see the settings, style, body style, advanced, custom CSS. Yes, here it is. Now we can see that we found the CSS here. We just have to disable it from here. Okay, now let's disable this and let's update. Now if I reload this, see, we have fixed this issue. Okay, the paragraph issue, we have fixed this. This was working globally, now it is not working. Okay, so now what we do is let's fix this heading issue, and this one is from the page builder. Okay, this one is not working globally. Whoever did the web design, this site design, he used this font size 1.8 vertical width. Here we have to change that to RAM or pixel. Okay, so let's fix this. So for that we have to let's first enable the responsive mode and change it to laptop. On desktop that's look fine, and let's enable the tablet portrait. Here everything looks fine, but we have to check that. Let's see. We have fixed this. Okay, the paragraph looks fine, but the heading are too small. Okay, right? It looks fine on the desktop version, but it's look too small on the laptop version. So we're going to check this from here, typography, and here you can see it is 1.8 pixel showing, but it is actually not pixel. Somehow it is working as a vertical width. Okay, so we can check one more thing. Yes, here you can see here he added this vertical width on the desktop mode. It is automatically applying here as a 1.8 vertical width. Okay, so we are going to change this to pixel. Okay, let's change to pixel, and let's add 30. Yes, 30 looks good. And let's change this to here. Let's change let's keep this like 18 pixel. Yes, it looks good. Let's reduce more, 16 pixel. Yes, 16 pixel looks good. Now it looks fine. So let's go down. This text is okay. This is, I think, an image, fully image. Oh no, why from this body content? Okay, the text here is also looks too small. Let's check it from here. Let's update first. Let's reload this page. Okay, now it looks fine. Okay, according to this text, this looks fine. We can keep this font size. If I okay, this looks fine. This is also looks fine, no problem. We can also change the font size. We can increase the font size a bit more, but let's keep this like this. This looks fine. Okay, so there are some responsive issues too, but I have heard to fix the font size issues only, so I'm going to fix the font size only. Okay. Looks fine. Okay, same issues here. We can copy the heading style here and paste it here. Okay, wait 1 minute. This mess. Okay, let's story is here. This story. Let's check the line height. The line height is here 1.2. Let's check the desktop. 1.2 em, and this one line height is 17 pixel. That's okay, no problem. We can change it manually. Let's change this to 30. Now looks fine. We can change this to em. Okay, this is paragraph. One more thing, we have to change this one to, we have added this, let's set 16 pixel. Now looks fine. Let's change this to 16 and this one 30. Let's copy the style now here. From here, copy, paste style, copy the style from here, copy, paste style. Workshop, let's paste style, and let's copy the heading style from here and to here, paste style. Now everything should be fine. Okay, here we can see some issues. Let's change. Okay, the issues in mobile landscape mode only, so we can increase the line height a bit more. Let's add 20. Let's increase more. Let's add EM 1.2. It looks fine. So that's it, everything looks fine. Okay, the issues here also. Let's change EM 1.2. now looks fine. Let's change this one to EM 1.2. this one looks fine. This one also, typography EM 1.2. Let's check the mobile. Let's go to the top. Preview the mode. Okay, here I can see this one is hide somehow. Maybe this one is hidden for the mobile. Yes, this one is hidden for the mobile. I don't know why the client or why the designer did this, but I am going to keep this like this way, because the client hired me to fix the font issues only, not the responsive issues. So let's check the other version. Okay, this one looks too big here. This one, let me check if this one is H1 heading or not. No, it's 2. This one is also is 2. So let's keep the copy, paste this type, but the line height is too much here. 1.4. it should be 1.2. Let's keep on 1, and let's font size should be fine. If I reduce this will be okay. For this heading only, if I keep this 1.8, sorry 0.8, this looks fine, and others also looks fine. So I'm going to keep this like this way, and let's check others. Let's see the preview mode only. Yes, everything else looks fine. So that's all for this home page. I have to fix other pages also. I'm going to check the other pages manually one by one. So this is how I have fixed these issues, and I'm going to apply the same settings for the entire website. I'm going to check other pages. I'm going to fix that one by one. So if you have this kind of issues, then you can follow this video, and after that, if you can't fix that issues, then you can contact us. We will be happy to help you with your website. Thanks for watching this video today. Have a good day. Thank you.